Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and in this tutorial we take a look at warning signs and regulatory signs. In Australia, road signs are categorized into various types, each serving a specific purpose to ensure road safety and efficient traffic management. Two primary categories are regulatory signs and warning signs, which differ in their functions, designs, and the information they convey. Regulatory signs. Purpose. These signs inform road users of traffic laws and regulations that must be obeyed. They dictate specific actions such as speed limits, parking restrictions, or directions of travel. Design. Typically, regulatory signs feature a white background with black or red symbols and text. For example, speed limit signs display the permitted speed within a red circle, while no entry signs have a red circle with a white horizontal bar. Examples: stop signs, give way signs, speed limit signs, and no parking signs are common regulatory signs. Warning signs. Purpose. Warning signs alert drivers to potential hazards or changes in road conditions ahead, allowing them to take necessary precautions. Design. These signs are usually diamond-shaped with a yellow background and black symbols or text. They are designed to be highly visible and easily recognizable. Examples: signs indicating sharp curves, pedestrian crossings, wildlife crossings, or road work ahead are typical warning signs. Understanding the distinction between these two types of signs is crucial for safe driving. Regulatory signs require compliance with specific laws, while warning signs advise caution due to upcoming conditions. Both are integral to maintaining order and safety on Australian roads.